Hey guys, this is Michelle from $1 Million Dupes Money Luxury. This is the after of my restoration hardware decorate with me change. This is the update that I just did a few minutes ago. It's easy to see it this way because when you're filming, trying to get the camera right, it can be awkward, but smash that like button if you like the after, if you like the other video. I'll tell you what I did in a second. These are real restoration hardware Rococo crystal chandeliers. I kind of slid them over there, kind of lifted them up a little bit. This table is from Hobby Lobby, and the accents are from Home Goods. That's an Eiffel Tower, and it's a spear. But this is the after. Tell me what you think it looks like. This is a Restoration Hardware Chesterfield deconstructed sofa, the real thing. You can tell by the quality, the tufting. Go this way. And that is a light fixture I had installed. I got it from Lowe's or Home Depot when I first moved in here. It's just my ring light over there. I put a picture. I'm gonna come over here. You kind of see. That's a lot better. So the Restoration Hardware crystal chandelier lights before, that's a good picture of the sofa. That's the sofa, and this is another sofa but a smaller one. Okay, I had the two chandeliers right here, one behind that chair, one behind the other chair. So I moved those out, get back some in the light here. And I brought that plant down. That's the plant I got from the at-home store. I had moved it upstairs because I didn't think I had room with it. It was too crowded along with the crystal chandelier, so I brought that back down. Let's see how that looks in the morning. It looks like real fiddly ficus. I mean, it's huge. It's almost 7 feet, 6.5 feet. So this was a really good dupe. This came from the at-home store. I just brought that on down. You know, you can move around these leaves to make them even taller because they do mess up the camera. They do, you know, they bend. And this one can go straight up. See, like that. That'll make it even taller. See what I just did? I increased the width. And if you wanted to, you can just, probably snip off all the top and just keep this rounded part. You can. And some of these just pull right out. And I was kind of playing around with it, so you can do a lot with it. So we'll see how I feel with that down in there. This is Restoration Hardware pillows. Cover down. This is the design I chose. This one. This cover. And I have it brown on the back. Same sofa. Different kind of pillow. And this ottoman came from at home store. The same type of look. Along with these chairs. I found these chairs. This is exact due to the Restoration Hardware deconstructed. See the back of it? It matches that. Deconstructed sofa kind of matches the chair. They have one at Restoration Hardware. It's like $1,500 or something crazy. So. They have 2 rolling wheels on the front. When I saw that, I knew I had to get those. I have those there. And then we have added the chandeliers right here. Added the chandeliers on the opposite side of the sofa. Because if you notice in the Restoration Hardware studios, they always have, that's the France picture I had that on top of the table and those 2 lamps before I moved it off there. I think that's really spectacular. Let me back up and see. Are we in France? Buongiorno. Are we in France? Where are we? Now, in the real, showroom, they would have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more on the other side of the sofa. And they always have 2 chandeliers. Then they have the dining room table right here, so I'm going to get a dining room table down the road. I don't need one right now. right in here. So it's enough space. Try this way. I'm gonna go right here. Thinking about it. A long one will give you more width. So you can go like that and walk down, and then you'll have the 2 chandeliers here, and eventually here I'm gonna have a large mirror. I saw one at Home Goods a while, maybe a couple months ago. I didn't buy it, but I'll put that there. Then I'll have, you know, picture on one side and picture on the other side, and kind of that same theme look that they have at Restoration Hardware. So this is the after. Tell me what you like. Smash the like button if you like it. What do you think? This is a Decorate With Me tour. These are real crystals. And like I said in some other videos, you have to put these things on one by one. They come all in a plastic bag, you guys. You would not believe it. I was shocked. They come in a plastic bag. Let me see if I can show you how it works. You have to put this thing. See how I just took it off? You have to put it on one by one. And not only that, the hooks are separate. Yes. So you have to take the hooks. I had to hook each one of these into this little hole here and try to figure it out because the directions were terrible. So you have to try to, you know, pull it up online and see which one matches the other one in real world. So that's that. So tell me what you like. Once again, this is a Decorate With Me series that I have. The after of the Restoration Hardware changes that I just made. The updates that I just made to the living room downstairs, okay? So keep following me. I keep doing a lot of these updates. I really love interior design, architecture, fashion, you know, talking about money and finance, and also the right mindset. You have to have the right mindset if you want to be successful. So continue to think positive and you will be. Okay, and watch the next video.